Hey guys, today we got a 2025 Kia Telluride. We're going to pull the front door panels. Now I am tinning these. You don't have to pull them. If you're going to tin them, you can actually just pull the sweeps out of here. Just take this little cover off, kind of peel back here, and then go ahead and remove the sweep in order to get the door, to be able to slide your film in there. And I'll show you on the other side because I've already taken that one off. But basically the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and pull this cover in. It's a little tough to get off. There's two metal clips. I'm going to bring you in. Let's get started. Now I'm using plastic tools here. Just want to wedge something behind here and then kind of help pry it. Now on the other side I just used something thin. It was a little hard to take off. I'm going to use something a little bit thicker. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of push down this way a little bit to create a little gap, like that. And then I'm going to pull and I'm going to pry. Kind of help it. Like that. There's two clips. They're actually right down here. So right down here is where you want to kind of get in there, pop that off. Now if you didn't want to pull the whole panel and that's not what you needed to do, then what you could do is you just kind of pull back. Want to make sure that this clip pops. Like that. And I think there's another one right here somewhere. I swore there was. Kind of keep pulling. Kind of taking it off of the channel. If you want to help it a little bit, you can, like that. There it is. There's one right in here. And then now, you can just get your hand under there, pull that seal out. I'm going to show you on the other side how to put it back in, because when I just pulled it, I am actually pulling the whole door panel off on this. So we're going to hold off on that. I will show you on the other side once I get that installed. And then I'll go put the seal back in, and then I'll show you how to wrap. You kind of just have to kind of lift up the panel. It's a little bit harder when you're doing that than just pulling the panel, especially when this is only one screw. You don't really need to pull the whole panel. Just take the screw off, unpop it, and then you can kind of clip it back on there and let it sit just like this. That'd be another option. But I want to get in here and I want to take this apart just in case anybody needs to get in here, at least on the front two doors, okay? So let me pull you back a little bit, and then let me go ahead and I'll bring you in here first to show you what you need to take off here, and then we'll go ahead and take off the screw that's there and then pull the panel. So to get you in here, there is a little rubber mat in here. Kind of push it with their little rubber tool. Comes right out. And there's a little Phillips screw right there. Get that out. Now to pull this panel, you could try to wedge yourself in here, or you could do exactly what I just did. Obviously you're going to take this little cover off and you kind of pry that off of there like that, and then now you have somewhere where to grab. So you can actually get in here, get your pry tool, and just kind of work your way down as you're pulling on it, finding where it's tight. Working your way where you feel it's tight, kind of stick your door panel tool in there, or your plastic wedge. Simple, quick. And there you go. Now the panel's off. Now I'm just gonna kind of snap it back in there just to hold it for a second. I'm gonna swing you around and show you. There should be like some kind of a latching system here and a harness there. Okay, so now that we have the panel, I'll clip it again. We have a couple of different things in here. First we have this, which is the latch. Now there's usually, right here, there's like a little push in, and it releases it. Next, right here there's a little harness, a white harness, hopefully you can see it. Push down, release it. And then lastly, we have a harness right here. Push down, release it. Panel's off. Now when you're gonna work on this and you're gonna put tin on there, I don't recommend taking the door panel completely off, because you need the switch to roll the window up and down. So you're gonna have to hang it back on there, or else you're gonna have to try to dismantle that switch, which is not feasible here. So I'm gonna go ahead. I already hung the panel back on there, but not completely. Hopefully you guys can see in here. These have to line up with that right there. Okay. So the easiest thing to do is to make sure that the lock is in this position, not that position. It's to the left. That way this thing sits in there. So let me show you. So if this thing is sitting back, you want to push it as far forward as you can. That way it'll clip into place. Harness here. Put that on there. And then the last harness, plug in right here. Okay. Just like that. And then next, take our little sweep. Make sure that these little things, see how it flaps? That's facing up, so it's flapping. This will go down. Just like that. Panel's gonna hook onto there. Push it down. Now let it flat. Make sure that all the clips are kind of lined up. Put your little panel back on. Line those two up. Go. Take our little Phillips screw. Line it up. We'll torque it down, and then these two little flaps go to the back side. Line those up, push it down, and you're done on this side. To do this next step, you want to roll the window down. Okay? There's no seal there. I'm going to put the seal back in, pull back, slide it in, left side, and we'll come down. And then now we're going to try to hook the panel. Start right here, lift up a little bit, lift up. There you go. Actually, on this one, it was actually pretty easy. Some of them are a little bit harder, like to hook on top. Put the panel back in. See, that one you didn't have to mess with the screw because we didn't take that off. But I brought my drill just in case I couldn't hook it on. I would take the panel off and then hook it. I've had to do that a few times. Gotta roll the window up. I have to clean it again. Just kind of lightly wipe the top, push in a little bit so that it doesn't grab the edge. Or do not roll down sticker on here. And that pretty much does it. So that's removing the door panels or the seals, lower sweeps on a 2025 Kia Telluride. Thank you.